I don't know kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko or I need to do something pa para sa business.
Na-mention ko nga, hindi naman ibig sabihin na marami kang benta, kumikita ka.
We had a very common interest in helping other people to grow their business. And that's why nabuo itong Food Masterclass.
Expectation basically for us to learn together. No, there are stuff you're gonna hear from us na maybe you have an idea. So we'd also like to get your insights. But a lot of the things we're gonna be discussing also, you can use in other businesses.
Nag-enroll ako sa class nito to help me and to grow my business.
So basically, to learn new things and also unlearn yung mga akala ko yun. Yung tama, pero hindi pala.
Natutunan ko yung proper branding, costing, and marketing.
Siyempre, ang Bailiwick Academy, sila ang nagbibigay sa'yo ng tamang information. Ituturo nila sa'yo kung paano ka magbenta, paano pagkuha ng tamang costing, kung paano ka kikita, kung paano mo i-manage yung business mo.
Let's just learn all together and just have fun.
We're all here to help you to go to the next level.
Ito pong Food Business Masterclass, malaking bagay po, lalo na sa small business owner, na parang mas mag-guide kung paano i-handle and i-manage ang food business.
Lahat ng bagay, even yung mga technical terms, simplify nila para maintindihan nyo in layman's term.
If you have a good product in food, whether it's restaurant, it's manufacturing, whatever, it can run for a lifetime. Kasi basic necessity siya. So it all boils down to how passionate you are and how you wanna grow your business.
So dito, matututunan mo na bumibenta ka at the same time talagang kumikita.